Hello and Namaste. Let's learn some of the amazing benefit of reading Hanuman Chalisa. Hanuman Chalisa is a poetic composition of the great Saint Goswami Tulsidas Ji. According to Saint Tulsidas Ji, whoever chant Hanuman Chalisa will attract the infinite grace of Lord Hanuman. It saves one from dangers in life and helps gain spiritual wisdom and confidence in their life. Before I move on to 40 chopais one by one, let's learn top 20 benefits of reading the Hanuman Chalisa so that you will find the hidden divine secret of Hanuman Chalisa and you can take the advantage of it. Under the benefits of reading Hanuman Chalisa, I have covered 20 topics. The table of content as shown below. These are the top 20 situations in our day-to-day life which can be solved by reading Hanuman Chalisa. The person who chant Hanuman Chalisa regularly will never be troubled by ghosts, devils and evil spirit. It is believed that reading Hanuman Chalisa before any trip prevent any accident or tragedy. It is said that Lord Hanuman prevents accidents and bless you to have a safe trip. Praying to Lord Hanuman keeps one discipline and achieve greater heights in life and career. It is believed that while going for job interview or any business meeting, if one recite Hanuman Chalisa, then one can develop self-confidence within to face any challenges and get favorable result. Chanting Hanuman Chalisa on Tuesday to get rid of all your wealth and financial related issues. Offer him red colored cloth and light a lamp by adding jasmine oil to it and keep it in front of Lord Sri Hanumanji photo frame. If this is not possible for you, then you can also visit Lord Hanuman temple and read the Hanuman Chalisa in front of Lord Hanumanji. If you are a hard worker but luck is not in your favor, then this procedure is for you. I will tell you one simple procedure to chant Hanuman Chalisa. Before reading Hanuman Chalisa, chant the Lord Ram name as Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram at least 21 times, then get into the Hanuman Chalisa. And after finishing the Hanuman Chalisa, repeat the Shri Ram mantra as you do before reading Hanuman Chalisa. That is Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, like this. This will help you to gain fame and success in your life. There are all sorts of reasons that people find it hard, and probably the most common challenges people have with meditation. They feel they are unable to quiet the mind and keep out thoughts. There is no need to mute your thought. Just visualize the Lord Hanuman image in your mind and chant Lord Sri Ram whenever you breathe in and out. I show you how. Let's take a deep breath. Then say Ra. Then when breathing out, say Ma. Suppose when I breathe, I take nothing except oxygen from this earth. And when I breathe out, I am giving Ram mantra to me. For example, I just take a deep breath And when I releasing myself, Ram, Ram, this is how it works. While cooking, you can chant Lord Hanuman name or the Lord Ram name as Shri Ram Jai Hanuman, like this. This helps preparing the food and eating the food while in the state of peace and relaxation soothes the body and allow the digestive organ to function efficiently as they assimilate and distribute nutrient to the body cell. This helps your meal to be delicious with full of spiritual positive ingredient. If you are looking for a good friend and positive environment, then you should read Hanuman Chalisa. It helps you to stay away with corrupt mind people and you will look for good people around you. Reciting Hanuman Chalisa helps in reforming people who have fallen into bad company or have become slaves and unpleasant habit. Lord Hanuman is known for his great intelligence and knowledge. To be successful in life, one has to be physically, mentally, intellectually and socially strong. Hanuman is a symbol of all four skills. Reading the glory of Lord Hanuman, you will develop spiritual knowledge and your vision will remain clear and focused towards life. Lord Hanuman's entire strength came through the repetition of name of Lord Ram as Shri Ram and Jai Shri Ram. The greatest mantra for the present age of Kali, that is also known as Iron Age, which if chanted with devotion is said to liberate us from the cause of mortal life. I am sure you have seen in every image of Lord Ram where Hanuman is seen seated at his feet bowing to Lord Ram. Spirituality means serving God with love and dedication. All of us wish to live a life where our families always remain happy and satisfied, and this is based on our relationship with them, that is love and affection. When the relationship start getting fading, it's not only affect the internal love but also escalate the various issues to solve and to improve the relationship. Reciting Hanuman Chalisa is mandatory to strengthen your relationship. To be healthy, you must visit your family doctor regularly for routine checkup and maintain the good diet plan. Lord Hanuman blessings bring positive energy and healing powers to your family and keep them away from minor illness by fighting with negative energy. Here, the negative energy also means the bad aura. Regular chanting of Lord Ram mantra improves intelligence, memory, knowledge and concentration. Shri Ram mantra has the power to dispel ignorance and confusion and bestow intelligence to the chanter. Even chanting the Hanuman glory makes learning easy and memory long lasting. Those aspiring to go in for higher studies and research work can benefit tremendously from regular reading of Hanuman Chalisa. Consider Sri Hanumanji as your best friend because he can fulfill all your wishes and he will not let you bow under any circumstances. Lord Hanuman is the Lord of knowledge, success and fulfillment. Success can mean many things to different people. For some, it is having beautiful kids, acquiring wealth, or being popular. One person might define success as not having to work more than 40 hours a week. Another person might define success as having a millions of dollars in the bank account. If a devotee truly remembers Lord Hanuman, he will surely listen to his prayer. Hanumanji can never see his devotee in trouble and any tension. Hanuman is the incarnation of Lord Shiva, and hence, as you already know that Lord Shiva is also known as Bholenath. His nature is really innocent. In the same way, Lord Hanuman blesses his devotee, love with care without any delay. Chanting 40 verses in Hanuman Chalisa daily will make you physically, mentally and emotionally strong. Lord Hanuman is considered as a deity who helps get rid of evils and spirit that can be dangerous. It is believed that if you are troubled with nightmare, you should read Hanuman Chalisa to sleep peacefully. It helps you to get rid of scary thoughts. Concept and science behind reading Hanuman Chalisa is that when you read this couplet, which is also known as Chopai, you will emotionally be attached with Lord Hanuman. And in Hanuman Chalisa, it is mentioned that no need to worry, I am there for you. This will help you to gain strength, make you mentally, physically, and emotionally fit. The question that might crop in your mind is how to develop deep devotion like Hanumanji has towards Lord Sri Ram. The answer is once we accept Lord Ram as our Lord and trust him completely, then we realize his presence easily. In the deepest sense, Lord Sri Ram is the expression of unconditional love. By reading the Hanuman Chalisa, including Lord Ram name constantly, you will develop inner peace in your heart, or can say in your mind. With the help of this mental state, you can divert gradually to the spiritual path, and this is the main benefit of reading Hanuman Chalisa. Now I will show you how Hanuman Chalisa works for you. It protects you from any type of black magic, as these type of tricks people do normally to innocent people to imbalance their mind so that they will not be able to grow and succeed in their life. And due to jealousy also sometimes people try these tricks to harm you. I am sure after reading the Hanuman Chalisa and completing this course, ghosts and other negative energies will not come to you to track you. As I have already explained you each word in Hanuman Chalisa, and after knowing this you will know the full meaning of Hanuman Chalisa. And if you practice Hanuman Chalisa every day, you will not find any difficulties in your life. Whether it is related to childbirth or relation between families, you will be happy and peaceful in your married life. May Lord Sri Hanuman fulfill all your wishes and remove all obstacles in your life. We'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep practicing. Jai Shri Ram.